Our coverage of Colorado begins with this amazing piece of video resulting in a federal investigation. A student captured this footage over a CU football game.
They thought it was fireworks first, but it was a drone bomb, a brazen assassination attempt against Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. The first bid to kill a world leader with commercial drone technology bought online. It could have killed everyone on the stage or dozens of civilians nearby if it missed. The crowd scattered, and Venezuelans began to wonder what really happened. Was it a fake?
All flights in and out of Gatwick, Britain's second busiest airport, have been suspended after 2 drones were seen flying near the runway. 10,000 passengers have been affected, with many facing long delays. Flights have been diverted as far away as Paris and Amsterdam. Gatwick has apologised for any inconvenience but said safety was its foremost priority. Andy Moore reports.
Today, the threat is not from small arms or IEDs. It's from above. Consumer drones, flown by ISIS. Small, quick, hard to hit, and outfitted with grenades. They're tough targets, menacing for the battalion, and potentially deadly. Just a few minutes later, a drone grenade drops nearby.
Drug smugglers who've struggled in the past while trying to scale the border wall are now turning to a brand new method. Look at this, flying over it. A man from the U.S. busted for using this drone to smuggle 13 pounds of meth across the U.S.-Mexico border. Police say he was delivering the drugs worth about $50,000 to an accomplice at a gas station in San Diego. The suspect tells police he's used drones for smuggling 5 or 6 times since March.
To sneak contraband into an Ionia prison back in May went undetected for nearly 2 months. That's according to a state police report. The Department of Corrections says video shows inmates at the Richard A. Hanlon Correctional Facility received 2 packages dropped by a drone on May 29th. Prison officials suspect those packages contained cell phones that were inside the prison in July. The prison also had 2 attempted drone drops in August, but was able to recover those packages.